Welcome, brave loggers, ready to witness the clash of nature and technology? These machines aren't just tools. They're titans of timber, built to conquer the wild and bring down even the oldest trees. Let's dive into the world of monster machines and see them in action. These machines roar to life, each engine pulsing with raw strength. When steel bites ancient wood, it's a blend of power and precision. In Japan, each towering tree is revered, a monument honored in a dance of destruction and rebirth, where every cut respects nature's ancient legacy. Every fallen branch is a sledgehammer waiting to strike. With limbs dangling like traps, the forest becomes an obstacle course. These loggers face the challenge head-on, pushing through mud, chaos, and danger. Helmets on, they work under constant threat, never losing focus or determination. Here stands an ancient maple, its roots like grasping talons. To sever its base requires skill beyond muscle. It's a dance of precision and strength. Each slice through the massive root ball honors the tree's endurance, a clash where technology meets nature's stubborn will head-on. The HTZ 1200 Plus gleams like a warrior's blade, ready to conquer. With its 160mm wide blade and 55kW motor, it's more than a machine, it's a force of nature. Each powerful cut feels like a clash of titans, leaving no doubt of its power to reshape forests with finesse. Imagine a beast prowling through steep, rain-soaked forests. That's the HSM 405H. Like a wolf in its element, it forges ahead, undeterred by mud, slopes, or rough trails. With surgeon-like precision, it maneuvers through the wild, built to master the most rugged terrain nature offers. Picture a giant devouring everything in its path. That's the DAF 180D. Built for endurance, it's the ultimate weapon in land clearing, tearing through brush and branches like a battle axe. It's no ordinary mulcher. It's a destroyer with unmatched might, taking on the forest with fury. They misjudged that timber's force. It nearly launched him skyward. But with nerves of steel, he wrestled control back, turning disaster into a close call. That's the raw, untamed power of nature against pure grit. Lucky escape. Massive logs flow down the line like timber soldiers ready for transformation. Bark flies off in strips, revealing raw wood beneath. Saws hum as the logs are sliced with industrial precision. An assembly line of power where each log is shaped into lumber with meticulous care. The Kenworth T880S storms through the forest, with massive logs in tow, showcasing power and resilience. This machine handles steep inclines with ease, each climb a testament to engineering brilliance. With every haul, it proves that technology can conquer even the harshest wilderness. The Woodcracker G1650 is an intelligent beast, gripping trees with a wide embrace and cracking them with ease. With every powerful crunch, it proves itself a master of efficiency, engineered to tackle the toughest jobs and designed to dominate the timber industry with power and grace. This is every logger's nightmare, like gambling with your own life. One wrong move, and it's all over. Facing raw danger, it's a heart-pounding test of skill and nerve.
Yeah, you gotta...
The Ponce Wisent glides over dense forest floors, its 8-wheel design a marvel of stability and strength. Navigating through rough terrain, it brings the balance of a dancer and the resilience of a warrior, cutting with minimal impact and maximum precision. Nature and technology in harmony. Meet the Cubic 2, a titan in firewood processing. For professionals, it's a game changer, transforming logs with speed and precision. At a $10,000 investment, its efficiency and high output make it invaluable. A powerhouse that delivers faster processing with a profitable return on investment. The Cat 329E is a maestro, wielding precision like a sculptor's chisel. Each cut through timber is a careful, calculated strike. This machine combines sheer power with surgical control, embodying the spirit of engineering excellence as it carves through the forest, respecting nature's resistance. The Braca Forest T26.A redefines reforestation. It's not just cutting, it's planting life. This machine works to restore what's lost, planting saplings that will one day stand as giants. Each seedling it places is a promise for the future, a step toward balancing nature with human needs. These machines aren't just tools, they're marvels of engineering, each with its own soul and strength. Comment if you felt the thrill of power and precision. Remember, every cut shapes the forest's future. Thanks for joining the journey. Let's keep the conversation going.